in as far as the dollar side of it. Cut the power bill back by probably 2/3. We're not paying for electricity to pump water anymore, so that's all solar, so that's free. That means extra cheap water for me. That's no power going to it, so it's all solar. And while the sun's shining, we got free water. I'm going to plumb it into the main supply so that we've got extra water in the tank at all times. So, I mean, this is the hardest time of the year at the moment because all the water levels are dropping, and as you can see, the paddocks are as dry as a bone. Cattle need the extra water. And plus, we irrigate a couple of little paddocks to keep our weaners in good condition for this time of the year. Well, I think if you're getting plenty of sun, you'd be crazy not to use solar. And yeah, way to go. Crazy if you don't. Yeah, I mean, you've got a little bit of an initial outlay, and then from then on it's maintenance free. Well, my bill's probably dropped by, I'd say, up to 2/3, like power bill, so yeah, I'm happy with it. Well, we've got free sun. We don't have to pay tax on that, so use it to your best of your ability, I'd say. Yeah, people who don't go solar have got rocks in their head, I reckon. It's made living cheaper here, and I love it. It's the only way to go.